Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple 3-step sales funnel that you see right here that you can use for your digital products. Hi, my name is Aurelius, and on this channel, I make videos helping business owners start and grow a digital business. So if you don't want to miss any tips, training, and tutorials, then be sure to hit that subscribe button just below and turn on notifications too, so you don't miss a thing. Creating high converting sales funnels is not easy. What do you add to your front end versus your upsells and your downsells? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple way to do that. So I'll take, again, my handy dandy whiteboard here. So I've already kind of pre-wrote on this. This is an ebook or my drawing of it. So let's say you're selling an ebook. You can convert this or translate this to whatever you're selling, whether that's a software product or whatever it may be. But here's your product. This is the main front end product that people will see, or your offer. Now, this is the main thing that you want people to buy, right? So you want to make sure you deliver a lot of value on your front end product, so then they can actually see what you have to offer in your upgrade and eventually everything else that is in your sales funnel. You've got your front end that people buy. Then the next step is to then upgrade, or they have that option to upgrade. Now, if they say no to that, then they can then you can offer the downsell. So to elaborate further, your upgrade can consist of 10 supplements or 10 modules that complement your main product. So for instance, if you're selling an ebook, your supplements could include things like a checklist, fill in the blanks, templates, so things of that nature. Now come up with 10, something that obviously is going to help them further their learning of whatever you're offering. Now, if they say no to that upgrade offer, then you can present them with the 5 supplements offer. So this could, you could name this gold, and then this could be called the silver package. So gold and silver, you can come up with whatever names you want. But that's the simple sales funnel that you can follow. Now, in terms of pricing, you can price it whatever you want, depending on what value, what product you're selling. But let's take this ebook, for example. We can sell it for $10. Now, the 10 supplements, or let's say gold package, could be $97. So if they say no to the 10 modules there, you can offer 5 supplements for $47 instead. So those who are a bit more hesitant with the 10 supplements, you could offer half the amount for half the price, or $47. So quick, easy, simple funnel there that you can implement right away to your digital products. If you got value from this video, by all means, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications too, so YouTube will actually alert you of any tips, tools, and training that I post up here on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and for more training, watch these next videos.